Hey guys, welcome back. It's still Eric with you. So we're going to be kicking off real proper right about now. There's this quote by David Newman. Email has an ability many channels don't, and that's creating valuable personal touches at scale. Now, what does this even mean? Now, basically what it's just trying to tell you is that emails help you personalize your experiences with your clients. It helps you create valuable personal touches at scale. What that means is that you can build valuable personal relationships with people who you could actually have termed total strangers in the beginning, and you can do this at scale, basically on a large scale. You can do this with so many people across so many different parts of the world, without the limitations that physical marketing would have subjected you to. So emails are a really important part of your marketing, and if you ignore it, then you're really missing out. So what is email marketing anyway? So email marketing simply refers to the use of emails as a means of delivering commercial messages to a group of people and in turn generating sales. Initially, email marketing has always been seen as a way of just sending people commercial messages, mostly promotional. Now, over time, with a lot of experience over the years, people have actually found out that there's actually much more to email marketing than just forcing products down people's throats. There's so much more to it. And that's what we're going to be looking at. Email marketing is one of the core channels that your digital marketing business will employ in achieving its marketing objectives. Because it's something I always say and always tell people that I teach. People never really buy your product. What they really buy is your trust. And one of the easiest ways of building trust is through the kind of content you send via emails. So we're going to be looking at how we can send this content. We're going to be looking at why email marketing is important. It's easier to do than trying to build these relationships physically or trying to do them through phone calls. So you want to take advantage of this if you haven't. We're going to be looking at what a lead is. A lead is simply any person who indicates interest in a company's product and service in some way, shape, or form. Leads are people that just come into your business and they indicate interest. It's not a guarantee that they're going to buy from you. They just indicated interest. And at the same time, these leads are part of a broader life cycle that consumers follow. Now, consumers go through what we call life cycle stages. Now, a lot of businesses don't recognize that these consumers are going through life cycle stages, and they make the mistake of trying to sell certain things to them at the wrong time. These people go through what we call a sales funnel. And that sales funnel will also be looked at as the consumer's life cycles. Now, understanding what life cycle the consumer is in and offering him the right product at that point is super crucial to whether or not you're going to make a sale or not. We have different types of leads depending on the life cycle stage that they are in, depending on the action they've taken on your business or on your marketing efforts. So, what are the types of leads? First, we have the IQL, that's the information qualified lead, the marketing qualified lead, that's the MQL, and the sales qualified lead. So, let me break this down. So, what is the information qualified lead? Now, information qualified leads are people that are probably just looking for information. They've indicated an interest in your service, but by trying to, find out more about your business. At this point, we also refer to them as cold audiences or cold leads. Now, these are people that just interacted with your marketing efforts. They're looking for information. They're trying to make a decision. Some of them don't even know about the product. It might be the first time they're trying to hear it. So they're doing a whole lot of learning at this point. And now, take this from me. Now, this is a gem that I'm about to drop. Information qualified leads, often seen as cold leads, need to be educated. Yes, the word there is educate. One thing you want to do when you identify that the leads that have come into your business are cold is that you want to educate them. Whenever we are dealing with a cold list or a cold set of audiences or cold set of leads, you want to educate. When I say educate, you want to show them that you are an authority in whatever it is that you're trying to sell. because people are trying to look for information as to why they should trust you or why they should buy into your marketing efforts. So that's why you need an active social media handle. That's why you need a YouTube page. That's why you need content, because it's that content that you're going to refer them to teach them about the product and to prove to them that you are somebody they should actually consider. Now, from the IQL, they transition slowly into the marketing qualified lead. Now, the marketing qualified leads are people who have constantly engaged your marketing efforts and probably thinking of buying from you. Now, these people have transitioned from informational to marketing qualified leads, and they are also seen as warm leads. Now, these are people that really have an interest in your product and are more likely to buy from you. Now, how you treat these customers, how you nurture these clients at this stage is crucial to whether they end up being a sales qualified lead. Now, what's a sales qualified lead? A sales qualified lead is just basically someone who is ready to buy. Now, all these types of leads I'm mentioning, it's going to be highly dependent on your ability to know when they transition from one stage to another. Now, the sales qualified lead is also referred to as a hot lead, which basically means that he is really interested and he's ready to buy. And if you position your offer properly to him, then he's going to buy. Now, a lot of people end up having hot leads and don't even know it, and they don't sell. So these are the basic types of leads that we have. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.